Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you 4 key strategies on how to become proactive and prepare your company for the upcoming recession. We've all seen the news, economic uncertainty is looming and it's time to get ahead of the curve. Let's get started. At Genius Gecko, we specialize in optimizing processes, tailoring PPM solutions, and providing comprehensive training to ensure your business thrives even in challenging times. Our expert team is here to help you streamline workflows, enhance visibility, and improve communication across your organization. Get started with a free consultation, discover how our services can transform your business. Schedule your free consultation today and take the first step toward a more efficient and resilient future. First thing first, let's acknowledge the threat. Recessions impact budgets significantly. Companies cut back on non-essential projects and even essential ones are scrutinized for cost effectiveness. Key indicators to watch for include decreased project funding, increased scrutiny of spending, hiring freezes or layoffs, and slower sales cycles. If you're noticing these signs, it's time to take action. PPM tools are essential for managing your project portfolios and optimizing resource allocation. Tools like BigPicture can help you in overcoming the recession by easily prioritizing projects, optimizing your resources, helping you in tracking costs and budget management, as well as in scenario planning. Let's have a closer look at these 4 areas. BigPicture's portfolio management features enable you to evaluate projects based on various criteria such as strategic alignment, return of investment, risks, and resource requirements. It also enables you to identify projects that offer the highest value with minimal resource investment. This ensures that your resources are allocated to the most impactful projects. BigPicture's resource management module helps you monitor resource utilization in real time. You can identify underutilized or overutilized resources and make adjustments to optimize productivity. Also, BigPicture can help you in resource allocations by allowing you to assign resources to projects based on their priority and criticality. This ensures that your most important projects have the necessary resources to succeed. It includes time tracking features that help you monitor the time spent on various tasks and projects. This data can be used to optimize resource allocation and improve efficiency. When it comes to cost tracking and budget management, BigPicture's new financial management module enables you to track project costs and manage budgets effectively. You can monitor expenses, forecast costs, and ensure that projects stay within budget. It provides a detailed financial report that helps you track projects' cost and identify areas where expenses are exceeding the budget. That allows you to take corrective actions promptly. Last thing, and I have to admit, one of the most powerful BigPicture's features is the scenario planning. This feature allows you to create multiple project scenarios based on different budget constraints. This helps you to prepare for potential budget cuts and make informed decisions. This feature can help you identify projects that can be scaled back or postponed in response to budget cuts. There are plenty more things that you can do with Jira itself, which I won't be covering in this video, such as streamlining your workflows by analyzing your existing workflows and identifying potential bottlenecks and areas for improvement, automate repetitive tasks, and enhance visibility by using dashboards to create key metrics. However, often when we work with our clients, the reporting capabilities of Jira are simply not enough. So save yourself the time and reach out to us for a free consultation. We have worked with over 230 companies and will be more than happy to share our experience and advice. Contact us today to learn how we can help you optimize your processes, tailor PPM tools to your needs, and provide expert training to ensure your business thrives. Don't let your limited reporting capabilities hold you back. Let our experience guide you to success. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next one.